Often, one of the goals of therapy is to learn to see clearly without judging. So, often, because of our coping mechanisms, defense mechanisms, because of things that have happened to us, we vacillate between just not trusting anybody and judging everyone around us, or being really naive and not looking at the evidence that's in front of us. So, when you're working on this, what's an example of when you know, like, okay, I'm starting to learn to see clearly without judging, rather than seeing clearly and judging, or not seeing clearly and not judging? An example of this would be like, okay, I notice that this person's words do not align with their actions. And because I notice that this seems to be a pattern, like there have been multiple times when their actions and their words don't match up, that gives me information so I can choose, how close do I actually want to be with this person? How much do I actually want to let them in? How much do I actually want to trust them? And odds are it's probably not, they're going to be limited to my outer circle. So that is an example of me using information, and I'm seeing clearly, but I'm not judging. So here's what a trust injured person might do. Like, I notice their words don't align with their actions. So either I rationalize to myself and I say, oh, well, even though this has happened 3 times, like each time I have a really good reason for why that happened. And so I'm still going to move forward in relationship with them. Okay. Or or that person is horrible. I'm going to go tell everyone that they need to stay away from them, and they are just a liar and a cheater and a thief. And I bet that they are, just horrible to everyone they know, and they're just a horrible person. Okay. So that is just an example of how we can learn to see clearly without judging, and how we know when we've made progress in that area.